Hi, this is Ian Thompson with RE/MAX Professionals. What's one of the hardest things to do when you're downsizing? My experience is you want to sell your home, buy another one, and have money left over. Very difficult to do. Here at Turner Road Estates, unit number 33, it could be an option for you. 2-bed, 2-bath, almost 1,200 square feet, and this location is superb. Nice views of Mount Benson and a covered deck. Let's have a look inside. Woodgrove Estates offers the opportunity for a homeowner to really enjoy the so many conveniences that Nanaimo has, especially shopping. Like, it comes with parking spots, but you don't need them. You can walk to Quality Foods or Thrifty Foods. You can catch a bus right here on Metro Drive, right up to Woodgrove Center. And this is a super low maintenance lot. It's carefree retirement. Call your agent today to book a viewing.